Hi everyone! Today we'll walk you through the essential cleaning and maintenance for the internal components for your HTVRONT D2 DTF printer. If you notice smudges or stains appearing on your prints, it's a sign that your printer's internal parts need a thorough cleaning. Before we begin, please put on protective gloves. Use only 75% swappable alcohol or the HTVRONT DTF cleaner ink. Avoid using other chemicals, as they may damage the printer's sensitive components. First, let's clean the ink pad. Dampen a non-woven fabric cloth with alcohol or DTF cleaner ink. Wipe around the ink pad and the metal base beneath it to remove any accumulated waste ink. Next is the wider blade, also known as the ink scraper. Gently wipe the surface of the blade with a damp cloth until all residue is removed. For the optical linear encoder stripe, lightly wipe the stripe in a single direction using a cloth dampened with DTF cleaner ink. Be gentle and do not scrub back and forth. Allow the stripe to dry completely before operating the printer. Finally, clean the film tray and the pressure roller. Lift the pressure rollers and remove the film. Use two separate damp cloths to clean the tray surface and the rollers individually. Then, reinstall the film once finished. Once you've completed these steps, print a test image to ensure the stains are gone. That's all for today's guide. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or contact our support team. Happy printing!